The OnePlus 9 Pro is here. The smartphone has been awaited for the longest time ever since the 8 Pro started facing display issues and OnePlus decided to cancel the 8T Pro. The Pro OnePlus customers since then have been waiting for the OnePlus 9 Pro, and today we have exactly that. Before we get into the details, welcome back to our subscribers and hello to our new viewers. If you like what you see, think about hitting that subscribe button. So these leaks are courtesy of OnLeaks, who is one of the most reliable sources. So without any further ado, let's talk about it. This is the first look of the OnePlus 9 Pro, and boy are there things to talk about. So to start with the good, the front design has been taken mostly from the ongoing OnePlus 8 Pro, which is a good thing because that is an awesome looking piece of hardware. The curved edges are still here, but from the looks of it, the curve seems to be just a tiny bit less than the almost waterfall curves of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Flat earthers, flat phoners, flat phone lovers will not love this obviously, but others will still get to enjoy this awesome curved display. The top and bottom bezels have not been shrinked, in fact they look a little bit bigger, or is that just me going crazy after 36 hours of sleeplessness? But one thing is definitely small, and that is the whole Dude. The whole punch. If we compare that to the 8 Pro, for sure it's smaller. We have our volume rockers on the right, power buttons and alert slider on the left hand side. On the bottom we have the Type-C slot and the SIM tray. On the top we have nothing. Weirdly, not even a microphone. Now we move on to the slightly controversial part. Doesn't it look similar to some other phone? Look at it. How about now? Does it look similar to a certain Samsung phone? Let me help you a bit more. Doesn't these phones look almost identical, guys? And this particular color makes it look even more similar. By the way, this is the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. So this is one of my complaints, that it looks almost exactly like the S20 FE, and it has the same design as every other phone, which has just gotten so much boring. The OnePlus 8 Pro probably was the last flagship without the boring camera rectangle on the top left, which I absolutely hate. The only smartphone which makes it look good is the Note 20 Ultra. The camera bump is big, but looking at other mountain bumps comparatively, this looks small. It has quad cameras inside of it and a flashlight, and then the OnePlus logos are also on the expected places. I will make a separate video about the specifications of the OnePlus 9 Pro, so for that make sure to subscribe. Let me know your thoughts about the OnePlus 9 Pro in the comment section down below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, say hi to me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.